Hi guys, it's Misty. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share part 2 of the DIY card kit collaboration that I'm doing with Candace Gillespie from Candace's Canvases. If you'd like to see part 1, go ahead and click in the card in the upper right hand corner. I'll also put a link to her channel in the description below. But this is the first card that I made with the kit that she sent me. I'm going to go ahead and put on some music and I will see you at the end of the video. Enjoy! That's it, guys. I hoped you liked the card I made using this very sweet card kit that Candace so lovingly put together for me. I had a lot of fun doing this. I had never done anything like this before, but it was a lot of fun. So we have one more card that we are both going to make, so stay tuned for that video. If you like this video, please click on that like button, and if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I post a video about once a week. If you haven't already done so, please head over to Candace's channel. I'll put a link to her channel in the description below, but head over there, check out the card that she made using the same kit. Be sure to leave her some love, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.